My name is Tony, ArtisanTony on YouTube, and I was recommended to call you to see if I could get an interview with you.
Can you repeat, please, the reason you were calling for?
Oh, I was trying to get an interview with you. I have a show on YouTube that I do interviews. It's called Pi-Fi, People I Find Interesting, and I have interviewed people like Lou Elizondo and Kurt J. Mungle and a lot of other people.
I
And
cannot, no, there's no chance to understand. It's just the echo and no. Send a text message, please. And
can I
we
can,
can read what your request is, okay?
can I call
Thank
you
you
back?
very much and have a good day.
Okay.
Yeah, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Oh my goodness.
Hello?
Hello, it's me again. I called you back on my Google Voice number.
We cannot understand you. There is an horrendous.
Oh, can you
Please
hear me
don't call
now?
Again, send us last message. Please send us a text message because I am very, very busy on a moment now. Very, very busy. Send me a text message. Don't call again. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that was hilarious. So, very, very busy. We cannot answer questions about the Santilli telescope because, well, it maybe it worked and maybe it didn't work. So I was tooling around the interwebs this morning, looking and answering comments, and this fella here, Wigger Bros, let's see, was asking me about if I had seen the Thunder Industries or Thunder Energies discovers invisible entities, and it's related to the Santilli telescope. And I've kind of heard of this before, and he's asking me to get these people together for the podcast and all of that. So I start doing some research on this thing. So you go here and you see all these videos, and I found let's do this on Google, and I find all of these links to 2016, 2015, 2016, all of these apparent discoveries or whatever. And so it's great, and I'm thinking, okay, well, what happened? Where are these things? So you go to images, and you see an image of the thing, and eventually you tool around, and I found this. Where was it? Thunder Energies on Facebook. Thunder Energies here. You go to Thunder Energies, and it's nothing about, well, it shows this, but there's no links that I could find. You go here, 404, not found. Okay, this is what I keep finding everywhere I go. When you're trying to actually locate these things, you go to Santilli Telescope on Facebook, okay? You go to this link, dead. Okay. You go around, you look around, tool around, tool around, tool around, tool around. You go here. This is 2016. You find an Amazon link. Okay. Oh, currently unavailable. Then you go to ratings. This guy says never could get it to work. This guy has a sarcastic review. I have successfully found 2 or 3, I'm not sure about one of them, antimatter galaxies. Out of curiosity, I use this device to image my head, and I discovered that I have an anti-brain. So that's funny. So obviously they're not for sale, right? You go back here, you go to eBay. Oh, we looked everywhere. We couldn't find a Santilli telescope for sale. So what happened? What happened? This is the thing. there's these two realities. There's the internet reality, and then there's actual reality, and a lot of times they don't obviously correspond, and it's frustrating for me because these are all rabbit holes. You know, I could be, and I know I'm kind of griping a little bit here, but I could be working on actual real world projects. I got a I got this brewery in Bulgaria I'm working on. You know, and here I am following these rabbit holes uh, that the internet's creating. Come on, guys. Come on, give me a break. Work with me, okay? If you're gonna bring up this crap, just go research it for yourself and see if it's real or what happened to it. And I'm being a little frustrated, but and I apologize, but you could have everybody who's putting in these requests. I actually called the guy. I found a phone number for the guy, and I forgot where I even found it. I had to go down many rabbit holes to find it, and I call him up, and he gets frustrated. I'll play it, and so I call him back, and he keeps hanging up on me. This is actually the guy, Santilli, and so you know I don't know. It's frustrating. I'm going back to the real world. This is a three-dimensional entity in SketchUp, and it is more real than the Santilli telescope. Now, okay, so plan B is you're going to say, oh, the government, confiscated all of the Santilli telescopes. So show me proof of that. See ya.